So that first pass is your main lines.
Yeah, what I do is I go in and I lay it out, and I always cut the primary scroll first because it's where everything works off of that. Even though I got it all laid out, I always cut the primary scroll first, then go back and start cutting the secondary stuff. Usually cut the inners first, and then like these guys, I knew these little flute lines were going to be in here where the leaf forms. So I just went ahead and cut those because I know they're going to be there. Now I'm going back and I'm putting in the primary shade lines, and that then sets everything up for how the shading is going to flow. Like on the leaves, is it going to flow from the center vein of the leaf out, or is it going to flow from an edge vein in? And this is a little confusing on this one because like this leaf's flowing from the outside in, and this one's flowing more of a center vein, this one's a center vein. So this guy is a little confusing how he worked. Not unusual, but just a little confusing how he worked. And you run into that a lot on these older patterns, is how these guys worked. Some of them are real orderly, and some of them aren't near as orderly. Some of these guys you can just, you know how they did it, and you just can copy it real easy. And some of them about drive you nuts. And I just try to get it to where my shade lines are similar. Like I said, I'm not going for a cut by cut copy here. I want the general feel of what they were doing. And just like where he starts his scroll here up high, as opposed to this scroll starting down low. And those are just little things that really change how that looks in the end. Just when you're trying to get the feel for an original pattern, every little nuance like that becomes important.